Ready to make your Minecraft experience smoother, prettier, and packed with awesome features. First, head over to the official OptiFine website and download the version of OptiFine compatible with your desired Minecraft version. Make sure it's the correct version. Otherwise, you'll run into issues later, and nobody wants that. Once you download the jar file, save it somewhere accessible, like your desktop. Next, go to the official Forge website and download the Forge installer for your Minecraft version. This is crucial because Forge acts as the foundation for running OptiFine and other mods. Find the installer and click on it. Double-click the Forge installer you just downloaded with the correct Minecraft version. A window will pop up. Now select Install Client and specify your Minecraft directory. If necessary, click OK to start the installation process. Forge will now install into your Minecraft directory. Now, open your Minecraft launcher. Beside the play button, you'll see a drop-down menu. Select the profile with Forge in its name. If you've installed Forge successfully, it should appear there. Then, click play. Minecraft will launch with Forge installed. Once Minecraft has launched successfully with Forge, close the game. This step is important for making sure your mod folder is created. Now, on your computer, open File Explorer. In the File Explorer, go to your Minecraft folder. Inside, you should see a folder called Mods. If it's not, create a new folder and name it precisely Mods, all lowercase. Inside the Mods folder, copy the OptiFine jar file that you downloaded earlier. Relaunch Minecraft using the Forge profile again. If everything went well, OptiFine is ready. You can now access OptiFine settings through the video settings, where you can customize your graphics settings and enjoy the improved performance and visual enhancements. Congrats, you're all set.